to cook? We are ready to cook. Okay, so this is what we are cooking. Now, I am kind of ad-libbing this recipe, so cross your fingers and we're gonna see what happens. What I did was I thought of some ingredients and I thought, that would really go well together. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna discover this together, but guess what? It is all healthy. Yay! Okay, so let's get this party started. So I have everything laid out and ready to go. I'm gonna go over everything here so that way you can have the ingredients and the measurements at home. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna start off with salt. And let me just say this, everything I'm gonna go over right now, I use 1/4 teaspoon, okay, 1/4 teaspoon. So I have the salt here. I have the McCormick. Remember I told you about that, how I swear by that. I have that here. I have garlic powder because I love garlic powder. I have ginger. Oh yeah, ginger, I have that. Now, these two items, I use a 1/2 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, okay? So I have minced garlic, okay? I also have the bay leaves. Oh yeah, that's really gonna give it flavor, all right? Now, these items here, I use 1 tablespoon, all right? So I have green onion, I have regular onion because I just love onions, okay? And I have the soy sauce, and I also have the beef and broccoli mix that I talked about. And this I doubled up on, okay? So I did 2 tablespoons of all the good stuff. You remember that handy dandy container that had all the chopped things that we love, that's so healthy? So I did 2 tablespoons of that. So that's what I have right here. Now, let's get into the meat. Oh yeah, it's in the fridge. Nice and cool. Voila, nice and cool. You see that? Yes, it's so cold. So I have chopped, cut, sliced my beef. Okay, so it's in this bowl, and I used 1 cup of chopped beef here. All right, so we have that. Yay. Now let's get to the carrots. So I use 1/4 cup of carrots right here. Yummy. Now these items I use 1/2 cup. Okay, so 1/2 cup of oranges. Oh yeah, you just wait. Okay, this right here, 1/2 cup of squash. Ooh, 1/2 cup of mushrooms, and I also used 1/2 cup of broccoli. Yummy, isn't that delicious? It's sounding so delicious. So I went over the seasonings that I have. I went over the main vegetables and beef that I have, and so I also have the water that is needed to mix up the beef and broccoli mix. Now keep in mind, I'm only doing 1 serving. Now that packet calls for 5 servings. So I'm doing 1 serving. So with this, I'm gonna use what am I using? What am I using at the party? I'm using, let me make sure, I'm pretty sure. I'm using 1/2 cup. Holla! We're using 1/2 cup. Okay, so that is in here ready to go. So now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go ahead and mix my seasonings. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with the beef first. Yay! All right, so here we go. Yummy. So with the chopped beef, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the regular salt in here. So let's dump that in there. Yummy. Yay. And I'm also going to place, let's see, what should we do? Because remember, I'm totally ad-libbing this based on what I think will work. So with that, I'm going to add, what do you think I should add? What do you think? Come on, tell me. I'm gonna add the minced garlic. How about that? Yes, I am. Oops, I need my little fork here. Yay. So I'm gonna add that in here. That sounds about right. Yummy. What else should I add? Ooh, I think in this I'm gonna add the bay leaf. Ooh. Oh my God, this smells so good. Smell the bay leaves, you guys. That's going in so delicious. What else should I add, you all? Is that it? I feel like, no, I don't feel like that's it. Is it? Okay, that's it. So I'm gonna mix this up right now, all right? I'm gonna mix this up. You know what I'm thinking? Guess what I'm thinking? I'm thinking to add the garlic powder. And here's why. Because I love garlic. But then again, I'm thinking not to add the garlic powder because I've already added the minced garlic. What do you think? So we're gonna keep that. We're gonna save the garlic powder for the vegetables. How about that? Yay! All right, so anyways, I'm gonna continue to mix this up. Yummy, 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 yummy. And again, you can season this to your liking, to your taste, but keep in mind, we do kind of want to keep it kind of low sodium, okay, because we're trying to eat healthy. All right, so that is all mixed up. The beef, oh my God, this smells so good. I wish you could smell this. Now I'm ready to mix up our vegetables. Yay. So I have this bowl here. I'm gonna go ahead and dump my carrots. Now the oranges, that's not going in the bowl. You have to stick around to find out what I'm gonna do with these oranges. All right, so we have the squash, yummy. And before I do that, so this carrots, keep in mind, this is 1/4 cup. That's what I use for the carrots, okay? 1/4 cup of carrots. Now the squash, the mushrooms, and the broccoli, I use 1/2 cup, all right? So 1/2 cup of sliced squashed. Who says cooking can't be fun? Squash. I squash the squash. All right, so 1/2 cup of mushrooms, yay, and 1/2 cup of broccoli. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at this. Isn't that lovely? That is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So in here, what should I put in here, you all? Well, I can tell you, I am going to put the seasoning. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm gonna go ahead and put the garlic powder. I'm gonna go ahead and put the ginger. Oh yeah, this is really gonna spice things up. The ginger, you didn't see that coming, did you? Well, yes you did, because I told you the ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the green onion. Oh yeah, I need to get all of that, so let me go ahead and do this. I need all of the green onion. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, this is smelling so good. Do you smell it? Oh my God. Oh my, wait a minute, I still have some garlic powder. I'm not wasting any garlic powder, you all. Get in there. All right, now, oh yes, onions, regular onions. Oh yeah, get in there. All right, what else? Oh yeah, then I'm gonna go ahead and do this wonderful mixture where I use 2 tablespoons as opposed to 1. Oh yeah, this is so freaking wonderful. Who says that eating healthy can't be fun? It is, you all. Oh my God. This smells so good with all these ingredients. So look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Yay. So I have the vegetables. Now, what I want to do is go ahead and do the beef and broccoli mixture. Now, like I said, I have my water here. And again, I'm only doing kind of like 1 serving. So, you know, the soy sauce we're going to save for once we are cooking the food on the stove, so no need for that. But I do want to go ahead and dump in the beef and broccoli mix, which has no MSG. So let's dump that in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and stir that up. Yes. This is gonna be interesting, isn't it? Let me smell it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I can see this mixing with the oil. Interesting. So that's that. Okay, so that's there. Now I have everything ready to go. I have my beef, I have my vegetables, and that is literally what I'm about to put onto the stove. Now, once I put this onto the stove and start cooking it, I'm gonna go ahead and add the beef and broccoli mix to the beef. Makes sense, right? Yes, it does. Actually, I'm thinking I'm gonna add it to the beef and the vegetables, and then I'm gonna top off the beef with these oranges. Talk about flavor overload. Flavor overload at the party. Flavor over. I just want you to marinate on that for a minute. Everything that we've put in here. So delicious. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this on the stove. So I'm gonna use this pan, okay? I ordered this from Amazon. Look at all these compartments. There's 5 compartments. I love this. And look at the back. Look at this. So this will disseminate the heat evenly throughout the pan. So I just want to let you know that I'm going to be using this. Go ahead and check this out on Amazon. I think it's handy dandy. So I'm going to use sunflower oil and extra virgin olive oil. And if you don't have this, you can go ahead and use regular cooking oil or regular olive oil. All right, so here we go. I'm going to pour a little bit here and a little bit there and a little bit here. Sing along with me, you guys. A little bit there and a little bit there. So the first thing that I'm going to put onto the stove will be the beef. And I'm going to put it right here in the middle. Okay. so that's heating up. Make sure. And I'm gonna go ahead and cook the beef first because this will take the longest to cook. Oh yeah, look what's cooking. All right, so let's go ahead and put our vegetables in. I'm gonna use all 5 compartments just because that's what I wanna do. That's what we wanna do. Oh, this smells so delicious. Yummy! Look at that. So gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. And now remember our beef and broccoli mix? I'm gonna go ahead and pour the soy sauce in the mixture here. And I'm gonna go ahead and give it a nice stir. Yay! I'm ready to pour this. Look at that. Yummy. Smells so good, smell it. Here we go. And now I've placed the oranges. Our healthy meal is ready. Oh, this is so delicious. We did it. We absolutely did it. Oh, you have to make this, you all. You absolutely have to make this recipe. It is, oh my gosh, overflowing with flavor. I can just smell it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you tell your friends. Make this, come back and see me because we're gonna make a lot more healthy meals and snacks together. Oh my. This is so healthy and so sexy. See you next time.